Hmm. Now see here, material master record. You know that plant is running and we need material on daily basis, correct?
Yes.
When plant will run, we need material on daily basis. So uh, what will happen if we are buying the same material? Whatever the material coming in our plant, we have to maintain the data for that material, correct?
Yes, correct.
Whatever the material is coming, we have to maintain the data because we have to keep a record of all those. That is our job. Okay.
Mhm,
So what
mhm.
will happen when the same material was coming in the plant? We were maintaining the same data again and again. Okay.
Mhm.
So it's just a waste of time.
Yeah.
SAP thought that why we are doing the same data repeated task again and again when the same material is coming, we have to maintain the same data again and again.
Mhm.
So it's a waste of time. So what SAP did, they have designed master data. Depending upon some characteristic, they design master data so that we don't need to maintain the same data again and again for the same material. Correct?
Yes.
Got it? So depending upon some characteristic like name, description, unit, weight, purchase group, material group, valuation class, etc. On these data, they maintain once these data is maintained in the system, they only change the value. That's all. Okay?
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah. Yes,
You know
clear.
what is purchase group, material group, valuation class,
Yes. Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Transaction code for T codes. Uh, so T codes for material master record, create material master record MM01, change MM02, display MM03. If you want to block the material for a particular company code, a plant, okay, or
Yeah.
purchase organization. So what is the transaction code? MM06. Okay. And if you want to see the list of all the material created in the system, MM60, we call it as reports in SAP. Okay. If they ask you, a
Yes.
manager asks you, can you please send me the report for this material? So don't get confused. He is asking only the history. You have to go to the MM60 and you have to just enter the material and take the history. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Now we have valuation classes for materials. These are all
And
standard.
yeah, the
ROH.
MM60, it will shows
What?
all the active and inactive material. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So raw material valuation classes is 3000, 1, 2, 3, 4. HAL, semi-finished material. For this valuation class is 7900, 7910. FERT, finished product. Valuation classes for this is 7920, 7922, and 7925. Okay.
Yeah.
ARSA, spares. Valuation classes for this is 3040. Okay.
Mhm.
Now,
And those the standard number that they use
these
for
are
the
standard.
real
These
system.
are
Yeah.
all standard.
Yeah.
Yes. And clients have their own valuation classes. They maintain their own valuation classes. Okay.
Mhm.
These are
Mhm.
given by SAP standard. They will copy this and they will create their own valuation classes. Okay. And this
Okay.
will be done by FI consultant. That is not our area.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, different views in Material Master Record. There are certain views in Material Master Record, basic data 1, basic data 2. Okay.
Yeah.
And sales views, purchasing view, accounting one, general views, MRP view. So quality management view, costing views. So what will happen? A consultant along with their as per their module, they will see the material master record.
Mhm.
Okay. Our we have to select these four views. Okay, we have to select this four view, basic data one, purchasing. Our area is purchasing, and then we have to maintain the valuation class in the accounting one view. So we have to select the accounting one. And in general data plant storage one, we are maintaining the material inside the plant.
Mhm.
So inside the plant in the storage location. So we have to select general plant data storage one. Now see different material types. Okay, raw material ROH, half semi-finished material, FERD finished product, ARSA spares, high consumable material. Okay,
Yeah.
you know in supermarket, right? Polythene bags, correct?
Mhm. Yes. Yeah.
These are fast moving items, low value and fast moving items. Okay.
Mhm.
We don't need
Mhm.
to keep for the longer time. Okay.
Mhm.
These are consumable. Hava, trading goods. Pipe, pipeline material. Material which are coming through pipe in our plant are called pipeline material. What are those material? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG gas, correct?
Yes.
All these materials are pipeline material. Work, packaging material, food material. Now, and lag, non-stock material. UNBW, non-valued material. What does it mean? I told you consumable materials. See, example for the these are the material used directly for consumption. Consumable material. Now, coming to this non-stock and non-valued, I told you these materials are fast-moving items. Okay, we don't maintain any valuation classes for this material. Okay, clear. So what will happen? These are fast. Sorry, not valuation. These are non-stop. We are not keeping them for a longer time. Okay. As soon as it is coming, it is going out and all. Okay. So when we are not storing only, why we need valuation classes for that? Okay. So we don't need separate accounts for the materials. That's why it is called as non-stock and non-validated material. Time, service material. Now, consumable material types are NLAG and UNBW. Stock materials, these are procured to maintain them for inventory. Now we'll see Material Master record. MM01. To log in again, I think. So log out time. What's your time now? 9 p.m.
It is 8:45 now.
8:45.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So you came from office or what?
No, yeah, it is PM now, so my job until 3:30. So
Okay.
I'm working from 7 up to 3:30.
Going to Material Master record MM01. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's create any material. The 10 something I'm creating. Industry sector as mechanical engineering I'm taking. Now material type ROH, raw material. I'm selecting. Select views. Now here, if SD consultant is there, he will select these views to see Material Master record. Okay. To see their data, he will select these views.
Yes.
Okay. And APP consultant will select this. Warehouse management consultant will select this. Correct. So depending upon their views, they will select. Our area is purchasing. So I have selected these 4 views: basic data 1, purchasing, general plan data 1, and accounting 1. These 4 views I have selected, and I have clicked on default settings so that I don't need to select the data again and again. Correct?
Yes, correct.
I'll click on org level, organization level. I maintain my plant. You use this structure, okay, so that you won't feel any issue in the system. Okay, I've configured everything. Now plant is P001. Store location is SL01. Okay, click enter. Now enter description. Base unit of measure. What is the unit of measure of the material?
Can be each or yeah.
Anything we can anything, each and all, anything we can select.
Yeah.
Okay. Material group. What kind of my material it is? Engine, pump, cable, laptop, and all, anything I can select. Okay.
Okay.
Select. Okay. Now click enter. There is no mandatory data here. You know mandatory data, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now click enter. Purchasing group. Select purchasing group. Anything. Now click enter. Enter. Valuation class. Now see here. For raw material, what is the valuation class maintained in the system?
3,000.
Anything we can select, our wish.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there are moving price. There are two types of prices. See here. For raw material, system is suggesting me V. Okay. System is suggesting me V.
Okay.
I'll enter my moving price here. Click enter and save. My raw material is created. I'm going to change this material type as hull.
So for raw material, always recommended to use the V, like the moving average, or the standard.
Yes,
Anyone
yes.
can be okay.
No. V you can create with standard also there because it's our system only, right? Okay.
Okay.
But always it is suggested as V. Why? Because
Okay.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'm creating another material, semi-finished material. Okay. Now click enter. 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 No. Base unit of measure H. Material group. Anything I can select. Click enter. Purchasing group. Click enter. Enter. Validation class. Semi-finish. Okay. See, for semi-finished material, system is suggesting me S.
Standard.
Standard price. Click on save. Okay. Now for finished product, FERT. Click enter. 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 Base unit of measure H. Material group. Select anything. Okay. Click enter. Purchasing group. Select anything. Click enter. Enter. Validation class. Select. For semi-finished product also, where system is suggesting me S. For raw material, why system is suggesting me V? Because when the raw material comes in our plant, it will be definitely converted into some semi-finished or finished product. Okay. So the price of the material will be changing. But for semi-finished and finished product, it will be constant. So it will be standard. Okay.
Okay.
Click enter. Click enter. And click on save. Clear? So my finished product is also created. Clear?
Yeah.
Now we'll go for configuration of material master record. Okay. We will create our own industry sector. We'll create our own material types. We'll create our own purchasing group. We'll create our own material group. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
First is configuration of industry sector. Clear? Today we'll cover only material master record. Then tomorrow we'll go for vendor master record. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, configuration of industry sector. We'll cover in 1 month itself. It's not too high. Okay. Whatever the value see present here. Okay. Now going to the industry sector. First is we are going to see the industry sector. Here industry sector are there, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. From where it is coming, we'll see. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, sorry, logistics and material master, field selection, define industry sector field selection. Select this. Okay. Now, these are all industry sector. Okay. Let me say S is there or not. S is not there. Okay. I'm taking as this one as mechanical engineering and I'll click on copy as. Okay. copy as. I'll click here and I'll change this as S. And here I will write it as the engineering. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
I'm writing as Siddhic Engineering. We should not change this field reference. From which reference we are taking, we should not change that. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember that. Click enter and click on save. Okay. Save. I have created Siddhic Engineering. Can I see here?
So,
It is there.
S now.
Not there.
Not there.
But we have created.
Yeah, maybe we
Why?
need to log out and log into the system.
No.
Or
Just refresh the page. Refresh the page.
yeah.
MM01. Click enter. Now you can
Yeah.
see.
Take a step back and yes.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
This is how we create uh, industry sector, our own industry sector. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
configuration of material types. Every step is given. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, configuration of material types. Path is SPRO, IMG, logistic general, material master, basic settings, material type, define attributes of material types. Okay.
Mhm.
Now see. Basic settings,
Mhm.
define attributes of,
System.
material types. Click here. Define attributes of material types. Okay, click here.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
what is our standard raw material I'm going to create? ROH. Click enter. Can you see? ROH.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now select this.
And
Click
copy.
copy as. Copy as.
Mhm.
I have to create my raw material. So I will create something as Siddhic raw RO R. Siddhic R. Okay.
Okay.
Now click enter. Again enter. Enter. Number of entries copied 1 and click on save.
For
Save.
the transport over here.
Yes.
So is there any way you can save it like CD training maybe later on? It's one of the areas that I would like to understand when we make the transport and
While changing, while saving.
yeah, I mean like the transport
Transport request.
request. Yeah.
Okay,
So
we will do that. I'll
yeah,
do right away. Wait.
yeah, maybe the
Now
next
my
one you can save it
yeah.
all like Sadiq training, and later
Okay.
on maybe we can work on that. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now see raw material. I have created raw material.
Yeah.
MM01. ROH. What we have created, Siddhic raw
Yeah.
or raw Siddhic.
I believe it is SIDR.
Yes.
Yes, this one.
Correct.
Yep.
Okay.
Correct.
Now I'm going to create semi-finished product.
Mm-hmm.
Click on position. On HVLB. Click enter. Now I'll change the TR number. Okay. Transport
Yeah.
request number. I'll change it now. Click copy
Mm-hmm.
as. And I will write it as Siddhic Siddiq, sorry,
SID, yes.
Siddiq, semi-finish. Okay, so
Okay.
H something.
GLB, yeah.
Okay, now Siddiq. Okay, H I am written. Clear?
Yes.
Semi-finish. Hal. Now click enter. 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 Number of entries copied 1. It will I have to log out again. Then only it will come. Okay.
Mhm.
Now see again. Let me go and now what finish product FER.
First, yeah.
Okay. First finish product.
Mhm.
Click enter. Select this. Click copy as. I'll write it as Siddiq F finish.
Mhm.
Clear.
Yep.
Click enter.
On the real project, we don't need to think a lot about those one like special material type and internal,
No,
external.
no, no. In real time, every data is provided by the client. Okay. And you
Mhm.
just, they will just give you, just you have to click on new entries. You don't have to copy also.
Mm.
No, see. SPRO, IMG,
Okay. Logistic.
Logistic Journal, Material Master, basic settings, material types, define attributes of material type. Click enter. See, you'll get this issue. Logged by
Mm.
user. When the system, close unconditionally, it is not shut down properly like that. You will
Mhm.
get this because you were using this page, correct?
Yes, yeah.
You were using this page, so that's why this error is coming. And this error in real time also this will come. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
what will happen? First of all, you are not authorized that to use this transaction. You are not authorized to use this. Okay, to correct this error.
Mhm.
Okay. What we have to do, we have to reach out to the basis consultant. Basis
Okay.
consultant will do remove this locking system.
Mhm.
In real time, what will happen for this? You will get these errors in the list. In the
Mhm.
email, you will get that in the form of tickets.
Mhm.
That
Okay.
user order, purchase order is already processing. Purchase
Yeah.
order already processing. Like that. Or purchase order is logged by user.
Mhm.
Okay. Someone is working on the system and all of a sudden he went out from the office and he system log off and he just closed his laptop and he went out. Okay.
Mhm.
Then and that error came in our queue. Okay. And we are working on that error. Then we'll get this error and what we'll do. We have to reach out to the basis consultant and we'll ask them, please remove this lock entry.
Mhm.
Unless until we cannot do that. Okay. We cannot correct this because that purchase order will not open.
Mhm.
Okay. That is the error lock entry. So
Yeah.
how to open this, how to correct this error? See, if I again click, I'll get the same log by user by me.
Mm.
What you have to do, go to the transaction code. SM12 is the transaction code. We are
Mhm.
not authorized to use this transaction code.
Mhm.
Okay. Now execute. Okay. List.
Yeah.
You can see these are the log. These are the entries. We are using these tables. Okay. Now select this, this. Okay. Select all. Okay. Delete. Yes, delete block entry. This will be even basis consultant will take the permission from the client. Can you please
Okay.
allow? Can Yes, you have to ask. Can you please allow to delete this lock entry? You cannot simply delete the lock entry. Even basis consultant cannot delete this lock entry simply. No, they have to
Oh.
take the permission from the client.
Mhm. Mhm.
Until unless client is approving you, you are not authorized to use this transaction.
And can
Okay.
this cause any problem on the system, for example,
No,
or
no,
it
no.
just use
It
for
doesn't
the
matter. No,
interruption?
no. It's
Okay.
only interruption is there. Now deleted lock entry. Now see, there is no lock entry. If I log in now, I'll get it. See, define attributes. I can log in. Can you see?
Yeah.
Define, sorry, material types. Define attributes of material type. Can you see now? I can log in. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
All lock entry is deleted. Now, coming to the finished product, FERT. I have done, right? I think it is not
Yeah.
there,
We did.
right?
We did
It,
the
but it was not yeah. Click copy as, and I will write it as SID F. Finish.
yeah.
Write it here. SID F. Click enter. 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 Now click on save. See, now I'll change the transport request number.
Yeah.
Create here. Create request. What I will write. Then what you want me to write? Transport request or what?
Yeah. It can be
Yeah,
TR training or anything. Yeah.
training.
Yeah.
Siddhic training. Okay.
Yeah.
Siddhic training. Okay.
Yeah.
Click
Yeah.
enter. Click enter. I'll go to master record. Dash n MM01. You know that this slash n, correct?
Yeah. It is like a new page. It will close this one
No.
and it will open a new one.
Yes,
Right?
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly. So now I'll write it as Siddhic 12, 13. My mechanical engineering. No, FERT. FERT. It was Siddhic, right? SID.
Nice
SID.
ID.
Siddhic finished product.
Yeah.
Okay. Log level. Yes. Click enter and enter. Patient of each material group. Click enter. Purchasing group. Enter anything. Click enter. Enter. Evaluation class. Select anything.
For the system to memorize like the previous entry, for example, for the valuation class, instead of to look for that, if we hit space, we supposed to see the previous entry. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Now
Is there
see here.
anything we need to setting on the system, or it
No.
will be there by default?
No. 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 It all won't be saving in the system. See, you can see your previous
Okay,
entries.
yeah, I can see everything. Okay, all right.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now standard price. Click enter and save. Now next is configuration of purchase group. Configuration of purchasing group.
Mhm.
SPRO, IMG, materials management, purchasing, create purchase group. Okay. Now, configuration of purchase group.
Mhm.
IMG, materials management, purchasing. Okay. Create purchase group. Now, Same like real time. Click on new entries, enter your purchasing group. I will enter a SID. I think this will be created. SID purchase group GRP. Click enter. Okay. SI. I'll create two something. SID purchase group 2. I'll write it as SI3. SID purchase group 3. Click enter and click on save. Correct?
Yeah.
I've created my purchase group. Now coming to the last is material group. SPROIMG, Logistic General, Material Master, settings for key field, define material group. IMG, okay, Logistic General, Material Master, settings for key field, define material group. Clear? Click
Yes.
enter. Now click on new entries. Enter your material groups like SID 1. I'll write it as SID laptop. SID 2. I'll write it as SID mechanical. SID 3. I'll write it as SID chemical. Okay. Click enter and click on save. Save. Now I'm going to create my material master record with my purchasing group, with my material group, with my industry sector. Okay. Now see MM01 industry sector. Now material type. Level. And I have not entered the material. What? It is taken internal one / MM01. So, oh, I have not taken the material.
Yeah, you did not take them.
No, level.
So if you did not write the material here, system will give you the number.
Yeah, system will give you 4-digit internal number. Patient of each. My material group is as SID. Click here. SID. See? SID laptop. Click enter. Purchasing group as SID. SID. See? SID purchasing group. Click enter. Enter. Valuation class. Okay. Now price. Click enter. Save. Correct? This is how we have created material master record with our industry sector, our material type, our purchasing group, our material. Okay. Clear? So with this, material master is completed. Okay.